Hello, everyone, and thank you for visiting Clair Astrology. I'm Clair, and in this video, you're going to learn what it means to have Leo rising. If you have Leo rising, you are here to express self-confidence outwardly. This is not to be mistaken for arrogance, egocentric behavior, or an overabundance of pride. It does mean, however, that you are here to be emotionally vulnerable, unself-conscious, and encouraging. When you are brave enough to put your creative accomplishments on display, you inspire others to do the same. Your creative works may simply be your own theatrical nature, your ability to make people laugh, or your infectious positive outlook on life. When you let your light shine, you give others the courage to express their light and bring more positivity to the planet. Expressing your gifts also makes you an influential leader and strong role model. Things to remember if you have Leo rising are: keep an open heart, be generous with others, and cultivate strong performance skills. Performance skills will help you entertain and draw attention to yourself, which is ultimately the best way to get your needs and wants met. You may have to develop courage to put yourself out there and allow yourself to be the center of attention, but the more you do, the easier it will be to attract the resources you need to fulfill your purpose. In fact, it's through your leadership abilities that you can make your mark and receive the recognition you desire. So go out into the world and act confident, self assured, and passionate. Even if you don't feel it at first, this is a rising sign that can fake it until it makes it. And it's okay at first in the short term while you're developing the courage to put yourself out there and be vulnerable and on display. You are naturally creative and good at improvising on the spot. So lean into these strengths and trust yourself until these behaviors feel more natural. What you need to guard against is exhibiting ingenuine behavior to appease the needs of others or playing a role simply to win the hearts of others. You can't hide your real personality and deny your true self's expression simply because you are afraid of rejection. To thrive, you need unself conscious bravery, unabashed self confidence, and authentic creative expression. Thank you for watching this video on Leo Rising. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a thumbs up below or subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.